by factoring. So again, we want to get everything on one side of the equation set equal to 0. So I would subtract 4x from both sides, and I would subtract 2 from both sides, so I could have that set equal to 0. I'll walk through one example of a factoring process with you here if you've been struggling with it. So one way we can figure out how to factor is to take our lead coefficient times our constant, so a times c, which in this problem is 3 times negative 32, which is negative 96. And then here our b value, which is negative 4. And then we're looking for two numbers that add up to negative 4 and multiply to make negative 96. Negative 12 and 8 meet that criteria. So notice that negative 12 and 8 add up to negative 4, so they're basically going to replace that middle term. It's just like we've written that. And now we can factor by grouping because we have 4 terms. So we're going to view this as 2 groups where we take out the greatest common factor from each group. Now we're viewing this as 2 terms who have a common factor of x minus 4. And you would want to write it like this, saying x minus 4 is multiplying 3x in the first term, and in the second term it's multiplying plus 8. And then using our zero product property, we would set each of these equal to 0. And then we would have that x is equal to 4 and x is equal to negative 8 over 3. So these would be our 2 solutions by factoring.